This Paramount Homes Real Estate Company property video is presented by Mary Ruffin. Search no further. Gorgeous home in the Quail Creek neighborhood fully loaded with updates. This immaculate, one-owner, home offers a split floor plan with favorable neutral color palette. Large ceiling-to-floor windows welcome you in with filtering natural light, creating an inviting atmosphere. Ceramic tile in entryway, kitchen and laundry room. Beautiful luxury laminate wood replicated flooring in formal living area, formal dining and in family room. Spacious kitchen with updated countertops, lots of cabinets to provide an abundance of storage space and more. 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 full baths provide lots of space for visiting guests and family. Master suite includes large walk-in closet, double sink vanity, jetted spa tub and standalone shower. Access the backyard from the master onto the covered back patio. Enjoy an amazing backyard with mature trees and fully fenced, adding additional privacy. A special home waiting for its new owner. All appliances to include washer and dryer will remain with the property. For more information